Welcome, beloved. Today we will turn our attention inward, nurturing the heart and body with gentle care. Begin by finding a comfortable position. Rest your hands softly on your heart and belly, closing your eyes if it feels comfortable. Taking a few slow, deep breaths. Inhale, filling your body with warmth. Exhale, releasing tension and worry. Now begin to visualize a soft golden light forming around your body. This light is gentle, nurturing, protective. It reminds you that it's safe to receive care, to rest, to soften. Bring awareness to your heart center, feeling its rhythm. And as you connect to your heart space, you can repeat silently, I care for myself with love and kindness. I am worthy of rest and nurturing. Imagining this warm, radiant energy spreading through your chest, down your arms, into your hands. Let it move into your belly, your lower back, your legs, and finally to your feet. Your entire body is embraced in this loving energy. If any tension or self-judgment arises, simply place your hand over the area and breathe into it, inviting soft acceptance. You may repeat, I honor my needs. I am gentle with myself. I am whole. allowing yourself to rest in this soft, nurturing space. Let your breath deepen and feel the warmth and care circulating in every cell. You are giving yourself permission to receive the love you so freely give to others. Before finishing, place one hand over your heart and one on your belly, taking 3 grounding breaths. Repeating silently, I am cared for. I am loved. I am enough. And slowly bring your awareness back to the room, wiggling your fingers and your toes. You can carry the sense of self-care and nurturance throughout the day.